Welcome to this demo. Today, we'll walk you through the Sign Up Funnel Dashboard, a decision support tool developed by Perceptive Analytics to help marketing growth and customer success teams improve user acquisition efficiency. The dashboard has been built for a client in the B2B payments industry. It empowers business leaders to track funnel performance, spot friction points early, and increase completion rates, reducing churn and improving signups. At its core, the dashboard transforms complex user journeys into clear, actionable insights, turning traffic into trusted customers. Now that we know the why, let's dive into the what by seeing the overview of the dashboard. First, we set up the foundation by opening with the summary panel, capturing the sign up performance. This naturally leads us to the conversion trend, which reveals how sign-ups and conversion rates fluctuate over time, pointing to the shifts in behavior that may be tied to campaigns, product updates, or seasonality. We then turn to user segmentation by industries and geography, highlighting which industries and countries drive the most traffic inflow and which segments trail behind, signaling the need for tailored strategies. Following this, the funnel breakdown traces user journey step by step, supported by drop offs at each stage. This makes it easier to spot where the largest losses occur, and the engagement time view in each stage adds further depth by diagnosing the bottlenecks across funnel stages, clarifying which stages consume more effort than expected. Finally, the user level session details brings the analysis to its most granular level, showing where individual users exit, tying high level patterns back to specific user interactions. With the layout understood, let's focus on the KPIs at the top. The reporting window is March 2024. We see that total visits to the platform reached 56,789, out of which around 1,700 users successfully signed up, resulting in the conversion rate of 3%. The contrast between high visit volumes and the limited completions signals major friction points within the funnel. Additionally, the average time to complete sign up is 2 minutes and 34 seconds. While this is within an acceptable range, it underscores that delays at specific stages can meaningfully impact completion rates. This brings us to a deeper analysis of the funnel. In the conversion trends, we notice dips in both sign-ups and conversion percentage across the months. Let's click on March 17 to filter the view. From here, we move to user segmentation. The geography breakdown shows that United States contributes the highest number of visitors. By clicking on the US segment, we can trace their sign up journey. To our surprise, nearly half of them drop immediately after the sign up page. This early abandonment points to a critical usability challenge. In addition, we observe 9 seconds of increase in average engagement time, suggesting that users are spending longer but not progressing, a clear sign of friction. These insights highlight two immediate priorities: addressing early abandonment in the US market and simplifying friction heavy steps to lift overall conversion. So, with this dashboard, customer success leaders can gain visibility into onboarding performance, translate funnel insights into growth levers, and enhance customer experience with data clarity. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.